How to buy Dogecoin on bitget on PC. Now first of all, make sure you are logged in to your account. Sorry guys. Now after that, go and select or head over to buy crypto. Now from here they will show you what currency you can trade with. Now make sure to select your country currency. Now after that, go to and click on quick buy because we want this to be a speed process. Now make sure you select buy, and now here select your currency. Now from here select the charge that you want to buy. As you can see, this is our coin. Now here ensure how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. Now after that, and you are ready to go, now just click buy Doge, and as you can see, they will show you that you can pay with Visa and MasterCard. And now after that, you can now add your card, as you can see here. Now fill all of this information of your card and click on next, and you will be able to buy Doge on bitget in PC. So if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.